Do you remember the last time you gasped for air and felt like you couldn't breathe? Have you or someone you know been diagnosed with this condition? Now imagine feeling like that all the time. This is the reality for people living with asthma. Asthma is a chronic respiratory condition that affects the airways in the lungs, causing inflammation and narrowing, making it difficult to breathe. Common symptoms of asthma include wheezing, coughing, chest tightness, and shortness of breath. These are triggered by a variety of factors, such as allergens, exercise, stress, and respiratory infections. While the exact causes of asthma are unknown, certain risk factors, such as genetics and exposure to environmental irritants, can increase the likelihood of developing the condition. Asthma can have a significant impact on a person's quality of life, causing frequent absences from work or school, limiting physical activity, and even leading to hospitalization or death in severe cases. But don't worry, because, in this video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about asthma and the natural home remedies that can alleviate or even cure asthma symptoms. Ginger tea. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the airways and promote relaxation of the muscles around the airways. To make ginger tea, steep a few slices of fresh ginger in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes and drink it warm. Honey. Honey has been used for centuries as a natural cough suppressant. It can also help soothe irritated airways and reduce inflammation. Mix a teaspoon of honey with a glass of warm water or add it to your ginger tea. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil can help open up the airways and improve breathing. You can add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to a bowl of hot water and inhale the steam, or add a few drops to a carrier oil like coconut oil and massage it onto your chest. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce inflammation in the airways and improve lung function. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to a glass of warm milk and drink it before bedtime. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids can help reduce inflammation in the body and improve lung function. They are found in foods like fatty fish, nuts, and seeds. You can also take omega-3 supplements, but be sure to talk to your doctor first. Breath with ease now and take charge of your health.